Hi, my name's Max. Welcome to Make Money with Max Online. And today we're going to discuss the topic of the uphill climb, number 3 in this mini series that I've created. And in this case, what I want to do is basically discuss what it takes to start that climb up the hill to be a successful online marketer. The biggest battle in this journey is changing your mindset, making the decision that you're going to succeed, that you're going to do something different in your life, and that you're going to live the dream. You're going to sit down and you're going to plan out exactly your strategy as to where you're going to be headed to next. Why do I ask this question, you ask? Well, very simple, because this is where your whole journey starts, with the frame of mind. Your frame of mind is very important as to what you're going to accomplish. The biggest thing nowadays is that we are so conditioned. We go to school, we train for just one particular niche in our lives. For example, being a lawyer, an attorney, a businessman like myself, or auto mechanic, whatever it is, you just train on that real fine line that gives you the expertise for just that. The good news about online marketing and being an affiliate salesman is that salesmen make more money per capita than anybody else in the world. Developing that mindset of thinking where you want to go needs to be a complete reformat of your mind. You need to sit down and wipe out all the old files and enter in new files in a way you think. For example, let's say you sit down with a friend for lunch or coffee, whatever you do, and your friend starts talking about the weather, and you guys discuss, and then he asks you, what do you do for a living? Oh, I work from home. Really? What kind of work? Oh, I sell affiliate marketing plans online. And he starts to laugh. What do you do? Well, this is where your mindset takes place. You now are thinking in a different mindset. Instead of getting angry with the individual, your mind starts to think, wait, I need to make this a positive event. So instead of getting discouraged and angry, you react in a positive manner like this. Yeah, I don't regret it at all. I really enjoy working from home. I get to spend time with my wife, kids, we travel, we enjoy being able to do the things that we decide to do, not when I have a vacation, but when we decide to do it. And then your friend looks at you kind of more thoughtful and says, yeah, I can teach you how to do this. It's very simple. We can get you in a training that shows you and develops your 6-figure income machine, and then it just runs 24/7 all by itself. You could be sleeping and making money. By this time, your friend has his jaw hitting the table. He wants to really know what's going on. See, thinking positively helps your whole environment, your way of thinking. You get rid of, I can't make it because I can only make so much money per year. That's where I'm trained at. That's how I'm educated. I can't do it. Or my parents were this and now I'm that. I was told I need to get a real job in order to succeed in the corporate world. Or I'm comfortable in my job. I don't need to do anything else. But you're not making enough money. You're living from paycheck to paycheck. What kind of life is that, my friend? So this whole training that I'm advocating and wanting to teach you, or anyone that wants to learn it, is to be able to learn how to build your 6-figure machine, get your mindset in the right state, learn the process of reformatting your mind, and start thinking positively as to what direction and how you're going to accomplish where you want to go. The other thing is that in order to do all this, you need the right tools. And friends, I discovered that the IM program has been the best investment I have ever made. The beauty about it is you can pay month by month, or you can just do the full lifetime membership, and you're also able to market the program that I took, and it's a very successful marketing program that teaches you how to develop your capture pages, how to develop your marketing program, how to develop the email program. In fact, as a lifetime member, you're able to clone everything the trainer has done so you can become successful almost immediately. It takes time. I am not going to lie to you. These guys are telling you that, oh, you can become a millionaire overnight. No, it doesn't happen like that, my friends. you do have to do work. If you can invest 1 hour per day, you can advance quickly. If you can invest more time, great. You just have to sacrifice, uh, have delayed gratification mindset as well as part of it. Instead of going out and buying what you want right now, delay a little bit so you can have the extra funds so you can develop your business. And then when your business is up there, then you can go out and have your heart's desire. But anyways, please like, click on the bell, make sure you subscribe because this whole series is going to continue with great topics that I want to educate you with. So subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a like. I appreciate that. Also, make sure you click on the link down below in the description to Make Money with Max Online. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.